Alright, welcome back to the channel where we have everyday tips for everyday tech. Today we are going to learn about permanently deleting photos off of your iPhone. So you'll want to navigate to your Photos app as seen here. And you'll want to navigate to the photos that you'd like to permanently delete. Now I've created a folder here for ones that I specifically want to get rid of completely. And I can show you that process real quick, it's quite easy. So you'll want to tap on the plus symbol here if you want to create a new album. And we'll select new album from the choices here. And then you'll get to name it. And we'll call it delete this. Save. And then it'll ask you what photos you want to put in that album. We're not going to do any right now. What we're going to do is work on deleting the pictures I have selected. So from this menu we'll select the select button, and you can select each photo individually, and in the lower right hand corner you'll hit the delete button. Now you can remove them from the album or delete them. Removing them from the album won't actually delete them, so we'll select delete, and these photos will also be deleted from an album. So then we'll hit delete 6 photos. So it seems like they've been deleted, but they haven't. So what we'll actually do is scroll down to this category here, recently deleted. Here you see all the same photos. What we want to do is the same process. We'll tap the select button, and then here we'll select delete all. These photos will be deleted. This action cannot be undone. Delete 6 photos. So you want to make sure absolutely that everything in here will be deleted and you're okay with that. If not, you want to make sure and get it out of here by hitting recover all or recover the individual ones once you hit select. In this case we want to get rid of all these permanently, so we'll hit delete and then delete 6 photos. So that permanently removes them from your phone and you cannot recover them, but this will save you a lot of space and help your phone run nice and smooth. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a like. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and leave a comment. I want to know what else you'd like me to cover. Alright, thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next one.